What's going on, guys? Mo with Auto Addicts USA, and I'm happy to announce and introduce the one and only Black Panther Auto Addicts USA conversion kit, full one-piece carbon fiber in gloss finish. This is a must-have conversion kit. It's a very exotic, very aggressive bumper. Let's go over all the details and show you what this Black Panther product is all about. We say one piece, we truly mean one piece. We're talking about a shell all connected together to the upper grille, which is carbon fiber, the track package 1LE carbon fiber grille, the track package 1LE lip, the Z01 with the DRLs, bezel, all in carbon fiber, ready to rock and roll to slap onto your vehicle. You do not have to worry about assembling the inserts such as the upper grille, lower grille, the bezels, and the lip, and the under tray. Everything is all manufactured to be one piece, ready to rock and roll. Now, if you're in the market to paint this, you're more than welcome to paint your Black Panther carbon fiber bumper, ready to rock and roll. Or if you want to expose the carbon and turn all the heads that it deserves to be seen for, this is the carbon for you. And another note for you guys, just to let you know, our carbon fiber Black Panther bumper will line up with our manufactured ZR carbon fiber hood as well. So you can have a full-on carbon fiber front end, turning heads, dropping jaws the way that it's supposed to be. We're super excited for this build. There's limited quantities of this product, and you guys got to get on this. Pre-orders are now live with Auto Addicts USA. The first 9 units will be delivered at the end of August, beginning of August or so. Make sure you secure yourself one, and I can't wait to see this on your Gen 5.